Get up. Give it to her. She was it. Okay. Here, Mama. She's recording now. You're on. You can hear yourself.
Say good, Mama. Oh.
Okay, let her have it. Come on now. We're recording here.
Turn this light on. I can't see.
Here, Mom. Hold it. Hold it, Mom. Grandma, help you.
Wait,
Don't
she's
choke.
choking. Look at it.
Come on, one more time. She ain't choking or nothing. Here, Mom. You hold it, Mom. Help Grandma hold this for you. You like that? Here, honey, help Grandma hold this.
Hold it, baby.
She's got something in her mouth. Hold on.
Good girl. Okay, you have to help. Like holding your Bubba's, hold this sandwich. Grandma's not going to hold it for you.
No, put it this way.
Oh. Here, try it this way, Mom.
Hand.
Two hands. Good girl. Is that good stuff, Bubba's? That's my first Italian sub.
She's chewing it. Good girl.
Yeah, it's just the bread. The bread ain't going to hurt her, dude, because the bread gets soft. Well, let her have another bite. Just the bread, though, y'all. Okay, get it, Chrissy, get it. Good girl, Moms.
Good.
That's good shit right there. Huh. Heck yeah. Oh, well, here. Grandma's not taking it.
Here.
It's probably Lisa. Here. Here,
Oh my God.
Take over, take over.
Go for it.
My dad. Hey.